Right. Hello, Ed. So this is my demo for Milestone 3. I will start by just running this to kind of show that it's working, or working for the most part. There are a couple issues. The first one that you might notice, the mouse doesn't have any legs. Otherwise, he's animating, and he is lighted up. The other thing that's not working is blending between animations. So as you can see with the robot here, it's a harsh change. Same with Mousy. It is a harsh change. There's also there's a little bit where he puts his arms down on some animations. But other than that, this is what I have right now. So I'll show the mixer here. So this is relying on the shader, compute shader, compute mixer here. And as you can see, I created an update function here. We're setting the shader active, doing our binding, setting in the data, and I keep a pointer to this mixer here in the animation controller. That's kind of like the highest level of where it's stored. And then we're also keeping SSBOs in clip, or sorry, in the frame bucket, and we're keeping them in the SSBO result in the anim class here. And so if we take a look at the animate function, we're just passing in the mixer here and the animation time, and then sending that to the clip. And then we're doing pretty much the same thing as before, going through this, getting our frames that we need, and then we're sending the SSBO data to the mixer and then calling the update function. If we go to the game object anim skin here, this is where we are updating the world compute, the mixer again here, to kind of show the world compute here. Here's what its update looks like. Setting the shader active, binding everything, sending it to the shader. Here's the shader function. And so, that's kind of how the animation system works right now. Here's kind of like my setup process for setting that up. As you can see, passing in a light color and a light position here. And then, sending all that data to the game object. This one's Mousy. Creating our animation controller, and setting everything up, and then creating a mixer and our world compute. So one mixer, one world compute for the animation, essentially. It's a duplicate line there. And then, this is just the keys to switch between the animations: 1, 2, 3 for the robot, 4, 5, 6 for the mouse. Let's see what else to show. The skin texture render here. Okay. So for the skin texture, I added the light and color here to the uniforms, and then kind of basing this off of the the texture point light diff shader. But instead of doing the world matrix, I'm just doing the skin matrix, essentially, is the idea. and that gets the result of giving me some lighting. So let's show this one more time. Yeah, so that's my milestone 3.